Spray mops are a practical choice for those looking to streamline their cleaning routine. They simplify the process by combining a mop and cleaning solution into one easy-to-use tool, eliminating the need for a bulky bucket. Their design makes it quick to grab and use, and cleanup is straightforward. With so many options available, finding the top spray mops for 2024 can be a bit overwhelming. To help you out, I have listed 5 of the best spray mops you can consider. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 5. Panda Grip Spray Mop. For those looking for a cost-effective solution without compromising on performance, this spray mop is the best budget-friendly option. This mop boasts a sturdy aluminum alloy pole and an impact-resistant plastic mop head designed for long-term use and durability. Its lightweight build eliminates the need for heavy buckets or cumbersome mops, making cleaning simpler and more convenient. One of the standout features of this spray mop is its ability to leave no watermarks or streaks on floors, thanks to its excellent absorption capacity. The spray mechanism is easy to use. Just fill the refillable bottle, pull the trigger to spray mist, and mop away. The rotating head is ideal for reaching tight spots under furniture and cleaning all types of flooring effectively. The kit includes a refillable bottle, 3 microfiber mop pads, and a scraper for heavy-duty scrubbing. If any issues arise, customer service is readily available to address concerns. This mop offers a practical solution for those who need a reliable cleaning tool at an affordable price. Number 4. Cedar Microfiber Spray Mop. This microfiber spray mop excels in eco-friendliness and effective cleaning. Its microfiber mop head removes over 99% of bacteria using just water, eliminating the need for bleach or detergent, which is a significant advantage for environmentally conscious users. The advanced microfiber effectively captures dirt and grime, making it safe for all hard flooring types, including hardwood, laminate, tile, and vinyl. A notable feature is its double-sided pad, which flips 180 degrees to clean twice the floor coverage without stopping to change pads. This versatility allows for both wet and dry cleaning, catering to various cleaning needs. The Promise Max model is designed without batteries, relying on a manual trigger to control the fine mist spray, thus reducing waste and saving on battery costs. The mop heads are machine washable and reusable, offering a cost-effective and sustainable cleaning solution. Users can customize their cleaning solution by adding their favorite cleaner to the refillable bottle. With its ability to trap pet hair, dust, and dirt while easily removing stubborn messes, this microfiber spray mop is an excellent choice for eco-conscious households. Number 3. Rubbermaid Reveal Spray Mop. This spray mop is known for its versatility and high performance. Its microfiber pads are designed to remove up to 99% of dust, allergens, and bacteria, making it suitable for a wide range of floor types, including hardwood, vinyl, laminate, and tile. The mop excels in picking up dirt, with its microfiber cleaning pad collecting 50% more dirt and dust per swipe compared to traditional mops. The mop comes with a 22-ounce refillable bottle that allows users to mix their own cleaning solution, offering flexibility and customization for various cleaning needs. The included scouring pad is ideal for tackling stuck-on messes, adding to the mop's versatility. The microfiber pads are machine washable and reusable up to 100 times, making this mop a cost-effective option for frequent use. This spray mop is also designed with user convenience in mind. Its battery-free spray trigger allows for controlled dispensing of cleaning solution, and the kit includes a spray mop, refillable bottle, 3 reusable microfiber mopping pads, and a user manual. This mop combines practical features with effective cleaning power, making it a great choice for diverse cleaning tasks. Number 2. Swiffer Power Mop. This spray mop is best heavy-duty cleaning tool designed for those who need powerful performance. With its advanced scrubbing strips, the Power Mop provides 5 times the cleaning power compared to standard mops, effectively tackling tough messes and stains. The pre-mixed solution is designed to break down sticky messes quickly and dries fast, eliminating the need for rinsing. This spray mop is equipped with a large swivel head that reaches under furniture and locks into place for cleaning baseboards. It also leaves behind a fresh scent that lasts up to 2 hours after use, enhancing the cleaning experience. However, it's important to note the Power Mop is not suitable for unfinished, oiled, or waxed wooden boards, non-sealed tiles, or carpeted floors due to water sensitivity. The kit includes the Power Mop Spray Mop, 2 mop pad refills, 1 floor cleaning solution with a fresh scent, and 2 batteries. With its robust design and effective cleaning capabilities, this Power Mop is an excellent choice for those who need a powerful, high-performance mop for demanding cleaning tasks. Number 1. Bona Premium Spray Mop. This premium spray mop stands out as the best overall spray mop for anyone seeking efficiency and quality in floor cleaning. Its user-friendly design features an extra-large mop pad that cleans 40% faster than competing models, significantly reducing cleaning time. The mop's refillable cleaner cartridge is compatible with both economy-size Bona Floor Cleaner refills and sustainable concentrate packets, providing flexibility and reducing waste. The cleaning solution is residue-free and fast-drying, effectively removing dust, dirt, and grime while leaving floors spotless and shiny. Bona's formula is notable for its plant-based ingredients, including 92% USDA-certified bio-based content, and it meets U.S. EPA product standards, earning Safer Choice certification. This means the product is safer for people, pets, and the planet. The mop is safe for a variety of hard surface floors, including stone, no-wax sealed tile, laminate, and luxury vinyl, protecting them from discoloration and damage. With a durable and lightweight design, secondary grip, flexible rubber corners, and retractable hook for easy storage, this spray mop is both practical and eco-friendly. It uses 97% less water compared to traditional mops and features a microfiber cleaning pad that can be washed up to 500 times, making it a sustainable choice. And that wraps up our roundup of the best spray mops of 2024. Whether you're tackling everyday spills or deep cleaning your floors, these mops are sure to make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient. If any of these caught your eye, don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow cleaning enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy cleaning!